Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on your 97 to 04 Ford F-150, and this can be done for a wide variety of years guys and models. And the tools you'll need are some fuel filter disconnector tools guys, fuel filter disconnecting tool. So let's jump into it. So the first thing we'll want to do guys is to undo these clips, and we just pull down on that and get it out the way, and we do the same thing for over on this side guys. Alrighty, so now we'll just use our disconnecting tool and place it in between this space here where we can get this fuel line off guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use my fuel line disconnector and get it to seat. So there we are. Sorry about that guys, there we are. So you just want to push your tool in and push the line off. Okay guys, so my other tool wasn't fitting back there, so I had to go and get this one here. Let's get it off guys. Alright, there we go guys. Amen. So let's get our new filter on. So here's our new filter guys, and as you see the arrow pointing this way for fuel flow. So you just want to get this back in here. There we go guys, and now we can just go ahead and connect our lines. Okay guys, so we got everything back connected. This one here was slightly a bit of a challenge, but we still managed to get it on, guys. So you just want to make sure everything clips on, and then we can just go ahead and put back in our locking clips.